国际新闻来关心，美国总统川普即马和哈佛大学之间对立是继续的滚价，几若百个哈佛的学生第三天是出来示威抗议。若川普这边伊嘛表示，伊是认为哈佛收31%的外国学生伤济啊，伊认为应该爱降低伫15%左右。来听川普详细的讲话。
These countries aren't helping us. They're not investing in Harvard and all of our. We are. So why would 31%? Why would a number so big? I think number one, I think they should have a cap of maybe around 15%, not 31%. We have people who want to go to Harvard and other schools. They can't get in because we have foreign students there. But I want to make sure that the foreign students are people that can love our country.
川普之前有想要撤销哈佛收国际学生、收外国学生的资格，也毋过这项命令已经予美国法官裁定爱暂行执行。学界即马是甲留学生，也是学界甲留学生即马拢对川普的未来政策充满变数，真烦恼。昨昏有几若百个哈佛的大学生出来抗议，川普今仔日是搁出招，伊认为讲外国学生加收15%，伊嘛强调讲哈佛着爱听话，搁讲哈佛真无尊重美国，摕遮尔济政府的补助款。川普讲，伊甘愿甲遮个钱摕去投资职业学校。